ship rather than take the wrath of this airplane. The pilot sits in a titanium bathtub that protects his behind and his well-being and the radios and some of the hydraulic gear from damage from a lucky shot on the ground from an enemy fighter. Yes, the mad bomber is here, and yes, that is legal, and yes, where can you do that at an air show? And we feel the heat courtesy of the A-10 being flown by Captain Joffrey Mancher, call sign Oriole, with all of his friends and family in the audience today and this entire weekend. Well, we're over. By the way, how did you like the Mad Bomber's great surprise? You know, if you did this in any other field in the U.S., military or civilian, well, Tony Ambrose and I, and all of us, and Michelle would be in the prison, but here's an air show. Here's a great reason to go to an air show. We blow things up and everybody applauds. Nobody goes to prison. See how quickly the airplane turns around? Well, there are about 714 or so that came off the assembly line. And it holds the Roman numeral 2. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, named after the P-47 Thunderbolt of World War II, which was not only a great ground attack airplane, but under the hands of